family, co-workers to do it too. Text him, call him 10,000 times every minute, non-stop, 24 hours a day, until he calls me and wire transfers me at least $20K. Immediately. He blocked me. I can't call him or text him. I've been doing it. It don't work. Why did I black it out? I blacked out the stuff where it says like the name of the bank and account and stuff. That's it. There's the balance right there. You see right there? Negative 555.27. Negative. Monica, you know what you're talking about. It's all right there. Now, right there, right above where it says negative 555.27, yeah, the available balance. Right above that, it said something about my account numbers or something, so I blacked it out. But the available balance is negative 555.27. I don't know if you got a bank app or not. They all look different, I guess, but that's mine. I just took that picture all ago. That's what it said. All right, if there's anybody in here that can help me, I need you to please go to my bio right now and send whatever you can spare, please. I've got to get this negative balance positive immediately so I can get something to eat, pay the cell phone bill, get some cigarettes, and maybe get a hotel room for a night. There's a bunch of other stuff I got to pay. I need a whole lot more than the negative balance to make it positive. I mean, I need $20K right now. $1,000 will make it positive and give me something to eat and pay the cell phone bill. It'll be gone. And then there's other stuff I got to pay too. So a couple of G. I mean, you know. So whatever y'all can spare, please go to my bio, send whatever you can. Do a live, get all your followers in my top 4 ways. Tell them to send me $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, whatever they can spare. Get all your followers to do it. It'll add up. I'm very grateful for any help, but I need your help immediately. I can't do anything with this negative balance. So come on, everybody. Please help. Go to bio, top 4 ways. Send me some help. I got to get this negative balance positive immediately. And then I need a whole bunch more than that to get something to eat and pay the cell phone bill, cigarettes, hotel, shoes, jacket, gym membership, annual thing, monthly thing, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I can't remember what they are, but they're very important and stuff. But I'm starving to death. I can't think right. And I'm sick and I ain't got all my medicine. My ankles are swollen so bad. My heart hurts. Everything hurts. My knee hurts. Now my left knee's starting to hurt bad. And it's all messed up, man. Everything's all messed up, y'all. I need as much money in my account immediately as possible. So please, y'all help me out. Get a bunch of people to help, please. very grateful for any help, y'all, but I need a lot. Immediately. All right. There you go, everybody. Please go to my bio, top 4 ways. Help me make this positive immediately. Need more than that. And then a whole bunch more to get something to eat, pay the cell phone bill, and gym stuff, and food, and shelter, hotel, Airbnb, whatever. 20K immediately. At least 1K, just so I can get something to fucking eat. Please help me. Get your followers, your friends, your family, your co-workers, your church members to help. Get those people, get more people, get as many people. Just send any amount 24 hours a day immediately. Please help me. I cannot lose this account. And I can't do anything with it negative. I got to have it positive so I can get something to eat. So please help me, y'all. God bless you if you do.